Friday and happy Valentine's Day. Time check is 5 to 11. A bit late na kasi kumain muna ako at hindi ko na itong aking aling maliit. Masama pakiramdam niya. Still got cough and runny nose, bless him. Pero wala na siyang temperature, which is good naman. Pero may ubo nga sipon. Kung nagtaka kayo ano yung maingay, I'm loading some washing. Naka-spin na siya. And then I'm gonna put it, I don't know if I put it outside or tumble dryer na lang. At wala tayo masyadong ganap today kasi hindi naman na kailangan, may bata na. Pero I'm gonna get ready something to surprise Mr. kasi nasa work siya, which is good idea. Nasa work siya today. Tapos mag-ano lang ako doon sa cabin. Lagyan ko lang ng mga kunting abubot ko ngari pang Valentine's. And then I'm gonna put his car there. Tapos yung pressing niya, yun lang gagawin natin. After this washing, tapos punta tayo ng post office kasi magpapadala ako ng samples ng mga perfumes ko na binibenta to my kumari. Yung mga ganito, samples. Kasi yung kumari ko sa Ireland, gusto niyang itry. So, after itong washing, lalabas tayo at bibili ako ng mga balloons para sa ating Valentine's decor. Wala kaming today, hindi kami lalabas or anything. Pero bukas, nag-book kami ng simpleng restaurant. Gusto ni Mr. mag-steakhouse pero practical ako. Sabi ko doon na lang tayo sa murang restaurant, parehas lang naman din. Kasi birthday din ni Father there ko bukas. So yun lang, mag-lunch out lang kami tomorrow. And then yun lang yung ganap. So tapusin ko lang tong ating washing and then I'm gonna sort out this perfume cause I don't know where did I put it. Ito wala. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga samples na aking perfume, which is this one. This is it. It has, siya. Ilagay ko kayo sa tissue. Ayan! Ang galing ng tripod ko. Tissue. Yung kitchen tissue. Now, please don't push it, okay? So, ayan guys. Ito yung samples ng aking perfume na binibinta. And then, it has a code on it. Halimbawa, kung gusto mo ng Chanel number 5, so, hahanapin ko ang matches ng from the company I've been working with, is number 21 yung code niya. So, yan, ang hahanapin ko, nakalagay na doon, nakalista na. Hahanapin ko na lang dito yung code. Ayan siya. It has different perfume. Imagine yan, 150 different kinds of perfume. So, that's why I'm busy. Tapos yung course ko. So, yun nga guys. Ang dami ko ng satsat kasi na-miss ko nga kayo. Hahanapin ko muna yung mga code na isend ko sa aking kumari. So, ayun na guys. Nalagay na natin yung ating what you call it, laundry sa tumble dryer kasi medyo gloomy na yung panahon. And now, I'm gonna get ready, brush my teeth, and grab my coat and James coat. Tapos, labas muna tayo saglit para mag-send ng parcel. Hindi naman parcel kasi maliit lang siya na envelope. Sa post office and then get some balloons and more pricey for Mr. So, ready na tayo. So guys, we're ready now and I will leave you here kasi magmamadali kami ni James. Hindi kami magtagal sa labas. He's ready as well. Kasi may sipon nga siya at ubo. So, sasaglit lang kami. Iwan ko lang kayo dito. And then, isasama ko kayo mamaya sa pag-set up natin sa pa-surprise natin kay Mr. Hi guys! We're back home. So, I got everything what I want. At saka may parcel ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. I think phone case again. Kasi parang nag-order ako ng another phone case. Buksan natin. Let's see what it... inside. But I think it's phone case. Oh, yeah. Yes, it's another phone case. Addict lang sa phone case ang lola niya. So, yes. Wow, this is cute. Really girly. Cute, no? This is my old one. And this is the new one. We'll try it. I like it. Ang adik ko talaga sa phone case. Kaya natatawa sa akin asawa ko. Isang katutak daw ng phone case pag may cellphone. Wow, this is girls all about. Agree kayo sa akin. Wow, is it cute? Ang cute niya. Wow. I like it. Ang cute niya, oh. Diba? Yung Huawei ko to, yung Huawei P30 Pro. And this is the extra. Tapos meron pa akong tatlo yata. Gamitin ko muna to for the meantime kasi since it's Valentine's, so pa-flower tayo. Ang cute niya. So, yan. I'm gonna get ready for lunch. Si James, pakainin ko muna bago tayo mag-decorate sa cabin. Naubusan na ako ng red balloons na may may letter. Pero, aga pink is right. So, gagawa muna ako ng champurado. Pagluto ko na itong aking aling maliit. And then, mag-decorate na tayo. Update ko kayo. It's 22:02 na. Si James natulog. Siguro kasi pagod siya. Masama. Parang pakiramdam. Bless him. So, which is good naman kasi makakapag-ayos tayo ng ating pag-decorate. Hindi naman bonggang-bonggang decorate. So, I got stuff here. Kettle boiling. Kaya maingay, gagawa ko ng coffee while doing this. So, I got the balloon. Meron ako, pink siya, pero I'm sure it should be fine. It said, I love you. And then, I got wine for him. Tapos, ilagay ko nga kayo dito. Diyan muna kayo, ha? Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong cups. It said here, you're a hot tea. Ang cute niya lang. Kasi mahilig si Mr. ng tea. Which is good, this one. Tapos, I got my card here. Then, I'll give him some chocolate. Because he loves chocolate. I know it's a bit naughty. Pero, it's a treat for him. He deserves it. Ayan yung persi natin. And then, I got him a rugby shirt. Kasi mahilig sa ganitong rugby shirt. So, I get this one for him. Yan. Yan yung ating regalo para sa kanya. And then, I bought this heart thingy. Pagsabitan ko siya ng sabitan ko siya ng picture. May tatlo siyang dito, paglagyan ng picture, which is really good. Ito siya, nakaganto. Tapos, mag-print ako ng picture na isabit dito. Ang cute niya lang. Yan. And then, yung mga balloons. So, yan ang gagawin natin. Magtimpla muna tayo ng coffee bago tayo mag-start. So, guys, ayan na yung ating pa-little surprise ni Mr. This is my pressy. Hindi ko na siya tinape kasi bubuksan din naman. And then, ayan yung ginawa kong picture. Print out ko. And then, we got some wine for tonight. Here's the card. Teddy holding it. Ayan yung pa-balloon kunyari. And then, my one balloon there. So, yan lang. Ang gabi na dito. Just gone 6 o'clock. So, timing, nauna kami ni James dito sa cabin para ma-surprise siya. Dumating kasi si ma'am. Galing grocery. So, tinulungan niya si ma'am magdala ng grocery sa bahay. So, makikita natin reaction niya. Kasi akala ko, kasi usually nauuna si James at saka yung daddy niya dito. Pero this time, nauna kami ni James. Wow, which is good. Masaksihan natin yung reaction ni Mr. later on. Andito na! Timing!
All about it,
timing. We get in first, then we bobs before daddy. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah. Daddy.
I haven't bought you anything. Well, you can choose to.
Look at that, Baba. Wow. Look at Daddy picture. Look.
Look.
Look. Look.
Hey.
What's that, Baba? Look.
Oh.
Wow.
Where are you on there?
Wow.
Is that you?
Is that Baba?
Who's this?
Do you like it?
Mama?
That's Mom. I'm interested with the balloon, Daddy. Whoa.
Oh, wow. Oh, look what Daddy's got.
I did not. What is it? Sell it. Ah, you open it, so
Hey.
no need to sell it.
That's nice, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Especially for me. What's that? Oh, Mum. Your hot tea. Baba.
Because Daddy is hot. Oh,
Oh. Oh dear,
bless
dear.
him. Still happy, Choppy.
Oh, even something else, but Daddy can eat that. Hey, let's store that counts. Oh, look.
Love you.
Thank you.